very cheerful and pleasant morning to Father Principal, Supervisor, teachers, and all my dear friends. I am Anika Sayyed from class 8B, Don Bosco School, Pune, and I welcome you all to our class assembly. Our topic is a ray of hope. Hope gives you motivation. Hope is that voice inside that says, yes, you can. And it is that voice that makes you work hard, that makes you learn new things. Now, I call upon Jessica to share a small poem.
Hope. Hope is the will to carry on when you're down and out in life. Hope is that flame that burns when there is darkness all around. Hope is that dream which you can fulfill when you're ready to strike. So do not lose hope in life, as that is the only way to live. Just keep your hope alive.
Hope is the ability to see the possible good in the future events. Hope means always looking at the brighter side and seeing challenges as opportunities. In other words, we should always hope for the best. So let us see how Rahul copes up with failure without losing hope with a little help from his family.
something?
Nothing.
Why do you sound so upset today? What happened?
What to tell you, Papa? I was trying to complete my science project and whole project went wrong. Now I'm afraid I'll fail in science practical exam.
Come here, son. Don't lose hope. Don't lose hope by this small problem in life. Try to do the project again. It will be definitely alright.
To assemble it again, it's a very difficult task. I had put my heart and soul to make it.
Rahul, you are losing hope. If you think it is very hard for you, then you should have a positive mind and attitude. My dear brother, do you know what Sir Alexander Graham Bell has said?
What is it?
He said that when one door closes, there is always another door waiting to be opened.
See, I will give you one example of what is happening around us today. Today, we are facing the pandemic COVID 19. Many people across the world are affected by it. Many have put their lives on the line while fighting this disease. Many of them have recovered from this pandemic, and many of them have died due to this pandemic.
Yes, Rahul, we are having our online classes in school these days. The government is trying hard to stop the spread of the virus and bring things under control. Many offices have started operating by taking proper precautions.
Yes, Grandpa, I think you are right.
Rahul, always remember these 3 rules in life. 3 days without food, 3 hours without water, 3 minutes without air. But we cannot live more than 3 seconds without hope.
Yes, Papa, I totally agree with you. I will happily assemble my project again. And thank you all for opening my eyes and giving me this ray of.
Yes, my child, that's the spirit.
Okay, Papa, thank you for motivating me. I will always remember these things. And from now on, if there are problems, I will overcome them and will not lose hope. I will try to give my best.
Encouragement is a great source of energy and hope. With his father's encouraging words, a hope was created in Rahul's mind that took him through a lot of efforts by trial and error method in his experiment consistently. And finally, his hard work brought him the sweet fruit of success.
Yes. Yes. Yes, I did it. Yes.
Now Amna Khan will present a short poem.
Hope is sweet. Hope is illuminating. Hope is fulfilling. Hope can be everlasting. Therefore, do not give up hope, even in the sunset of your life.
We'll have Naneshwari Dore who give us a speech now.
Hope is a positive state of mind based on an expectation to a positive outcome. Hope looks up to God when all the earthly measure fails In short, hope believes in miracle. Hope helps people to hold on when the life is tough and bad things happen. It is hope that says, do not give up. It is hope that helps you to fight one more round and put in your best.
The girls of Standard 8B will now perform a dance on Fir Muskurayega India.
जय 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 हो जय 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 फिर से शहरों में रौनक आएगी फिर से गाँव में लौटेगी हंसी फिर से साथ सारे यार होंगे ना होगी पाबंदी ना रोक ही कोई फिर से सड़कों पे सब नाचेंगे पटरी पे पहिए भागेंगे गूंजेंगे खेलों के मैदान बांटेंगे हम खुशियां गम भी हम मिलकर बांटेंगे फिर से होगी सपनों की उड़ान जो साथ दे दे सारा इंडिया फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया
Now let us see a video on the topic Ray of Hope. Now I call upon teacher Rakhi to say a few words.
अंधेरों से डरना नहीं तुझे, मुश्किलों से हारना नहीं तुझे, नजरें उठाकर तो देख, उम्मीद की किरण पुकार रही तुझे. Good morning to one and all. Today's topic, Ray of Hope, is a message for all parents. Please look out for the talents of your children. The best way of encouraging them and bringing out the best in them is to find out their talent. Encourage them, promote them, and never disappoint them. There is a huge difference between frustrating and promoting or encouraging their talent. This is a smile of hope for all parents and children. We, as parents and teachers, should encourage them in other activities as much as we encourage them to do study. If we do so, there would be many upcoming inventors and creative minds. There would be many smiles of hope in our homes. So parents, remember to always encourage your child and teach them never lose hope after falling down, because hope is the only thing stronger than fear. Thank you. Have a good day.
I request Father Principal to say a few words.
Good morning to everybody. Hope is indeed a very powerful thing, and it inspires us to do the impossible and helps us to carry on during difficult times. And hope can come in many different shapes and forms. It may be through a favorite song that we love to hear, or maybe a good book that we like to read, or even sometimes listening to our favorite thought leaders. I congratulate teacher Rakhi along with her class for having given us this very important value and virtue during these times. They have told us how hope is being able to see that there is light despite of the darkness. The children in their own way have been able to inculcate in us the spirit of never to give up, telling us through their skit as to how it is impossible for us even for a second to live without hope. My dear boys and girls, my dear parents, let your hopes, not your hurts, shape your future. It is important, I think, to realize that we never should give up on everything and anything that we take up in life. I think it would be a mistake to ever look for hope outside of oneself. Thanks and congratulations once again to the class for having presented the assembly so beautifully for us. Wishing you a very good morning, have a safe day and have a safe life.
Thank you, Father. Now I request Arif Pillai to propose the vote of thanks.
Essence of all beautiful art, all great art is gratitude. I want to thank our principal, Reverend Father Bosco de Mello, and supervisor teacher Manjusha for their valuable suggestions and guidance, and for giving us the opportunity to showcase our talent through the online assembly. Teacher Dipti for guidance and support, and teacher Ketki for editing the video. Our class teacher, teacher Rakhi, for guidance and support, and putting in so much effort to get everything together. Thank you once again. Have a good day.